All right, it's fixed. The fuel level sensor gauge is fixed. There are a couple of things that you do need to know. I did clear the codes last night. It had two. One is the secondary air injection. I'm going to see if it comes back on or not. The other one, it was the fuel level sensor voltage was high. I will be posting a picture in this video of that particular code. So I'm going to give you a list of things that you need to know about this. 1, it is a drop the tank job. 2, you need to know the wheelbase of your vehicle. There are a couple of different pumps that are available. Now, while you could replace just the sensor, if you are going to drop the tank, you might as well go ahead and replace the fuel pump, the whole kit and caboodle while you're at it, because you do not want to have to drop the tank again. So you'll need to know that wheelbase. It's either going to be 113 inch or it's going to be 129 inch. Only one of those is going to fit your vehicle. If you get the wrong one, you will be making a trip back to the auto parts store to get the correct one. You can do this yourself. I would highly recommend doing it with a friend though. But if you lift up the back tires, the back end of the vehicle, it makes it a little bit easier to get underneath the car. There are several YouTube videos out there that show you how to take this apart. There's one that's in English and Spanish. I thought that was pretty neat myself. There is a cross member that goes all the way across. There's also 2 tank straps and several lines. Make sure that you are very careful when disconnecting your lines so you don't break the vent or anything like that. When you get back in to start it up, it's going to take it just a little bit. Don't over crank, just turn it back off, crank it again. But it's fixed. I'm happy. And a huge shout out to the 2 gentlemen that helped get this done within just a couple of hours. Thank you so much.